How to create story highlights on Facebook. So first thing you want to do is go to your menu, then tap on your profile at the top left, and you want to click these three dots beside edit profile and choose archive. Then you want to tap on story archive. Right here, you will see your story that was disappeared 24 hours after you post it before. And you can just click on one of them. Right here, you want to tap on feature on the bottom right of your screen. Then you want to create the title as you like. And after that, you can click done. And there you go. If you go to your profile page, your highlights is already posted. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.